Hi everyone. So I'm doing it for the first time, but I was just too motivated to post a video. This is about my recent trip to Oman where I had the best time. And I realized a lot of you have a lot of misconceptions about Oman. I too had a lot of misconceptions while preparing for Oman. So I would want to clear those as a responsibility because, I had the best time there through these videos which are coming up. Yes, so it's a 10 on 10 for me because of reasons like the roads, absolutely clean. It has all the beaches and wadis and deserts. It has all the technology, it has all the brands, it has amazing food. The people are so hospitable and nice, and everybody smells so nice as well. So, yes, it's a complete 10 on 10 on all the parameters that you would want. One of the most important thing is that it is absolutely safe. There are no terrorist groups in Oman. There are nobody who protests or do riots in Oman. You would not find military men on the roads or police officers on the road. So it is absolutely safe as well. So starting with the misconceptions, one of the major misconceptions that I came across was about clothing. I came across a lot of YouTube videos which asked me to wear full sleeves or to dress decently, but it was not at all like that in Oman. I could see women wearing shorts at beaches. I could see women wearing, dresses in public. And in fact, me and my colleague, we were wearing short dresses in public, and we felt absolutely comfortable and did not feel being judged at all. The other misconception, related to Oman being an Islamic nation is of women. So, but it is not like how we think or perceive of women in an Islamic nation. I could see a lot of women there working at shops, they're doing business, they are scientists there, they're politically active, they're driving, they can travel alone. So, it's pretty safe for women and pretty empowering as well. The other misconception, I wouldn't say misconception, but the other fear that people have while traveling to Oman during Ramadan is that you will not be allowed to eat or drink in public and you will be starved. See, it makes sense. It is true because the majority of the population is Muslim, so they'll have stricter laws. But you can eat and drink in private spheres, you can drink in your car, and people are so humble, so they gave us water bottles even during the day. So you can travel even during Ramadan. A few funny misconceptions which I found on YouTube were that you cannot laugh loudly in public. Please go ahead, do that. Me and my colleague, we laughed our heart out in public. It's just Omani people are very sophisticated, so you won't find them doing that often. The other was that you need to be very conscious of clicking pictures. Not at all. It's only the restricted areas where you can't click pictures. And you can hold hands at beaches, so PD is also to some extent allowed. So, summarizing, perfect place, guys. If you're planning a trip abroad, Oman could be that destination. And in fact, you'll not feel homesick at all because a lot of people there speak in Hindi. And in terms of food, also, you'll find North Indian, South Indian, everything there. So, yes, I hope these videos were of some use to you. And I hope I get to create more videos of different countries. Bye.